Hello students. Today I am going to explain you chapter 4 from your supplementary reader Snapshots Albert Einstein at School, written by Patrick Pringle. Introduction of this chapter. The lesson Albert Einstein at School is an extract from the biography of Albert Einstein named The Young Einstein by Patrick Pringle. In this lesson, Patrick familiarizes the reader with those years in Einstein's life where he was struggling each day in school, and as each day passed, the school diploma felt like a far-fetched dream. It throws light upon a few encounters with his teacher, what he felt about the neighborhood he lived in, and how he had only one good friend, Yuri. The way Albert strategizes to get out of the miserable place, school, and how things turned around in the end makes the story even more interesting. Young Albert Einstein was studying for his diploma in a school in Munich, Germany. He hated learning dates and facts by heart. This forever displeased Mr. Brown, his history teacher. Despite his teacher telling him the date of the year that the Prussians had defeated the French at Waterloo, Albert failed to recall them. He candidly confessed that he did not see any point in learning dates as they could be looked up in books. Candidly means in an honest and straightforward way. Frankly. The teacher was infuriated and said that it applied to most of the facts taught at school. Infuriated means make someone extremely angry and impatient. He also taunted him, calling his views the Einstein's theory of education. Taunted means provoke or challenge someone with insulting remarks. Albert argued that it was ideas that were important. He was not interested in knowing when the battles were fought, but why they were fought. Mr. Brown was shocked and furious. Furious means extremely angry. He believed that Albert had no desire to learn and was wasting his father's money. He punished him by detaining him for an extra period at school. Albert was miserable when he went to his lodging. Lodging means temporary accommodation. His father, being poor, had got him a room in an area that was ugly. Albert had no comfort there and did not like the food there. The atmosphere was bad as his landlady kept beating her children and her husband came drunk and beat her. All this made him miserable, and what was worse, he had to go to a school that he hated. Albert was interested in reading books on science. He read about geology that was not taught in school. Geology means the science which deals with the physical structure and substance of the earth, their history, and the processes which act on them. His cousin Elsa pointed out to him that it would not help him pass his diploma, but he said that he did so because he liked reading. He also liked playing the violin and played it till the landlady stopped him. Also, the wailing and howling of the children irritated him. Wailing means crying with pain, grief, or anger. He had only two friends, Elsa and Yuri. Elsa lived in Berlin, where her father had his business. She visited him occasionally. She encouraged him in his studies and tried to assure him that it was not difficult to pass his examination. All he had to do was learn like a parrot, like stupid boys who did that and passed. Yuri was a student who shared his accommodation with the others and felt Einstein was fortunate to have one to himself. Yuri also told him about the uncivilized students who studied with him, who fought with one another. The authorities did not take action and merely told them not to engage in these fights. Thank you.